Welcome back to another class of social media boost to get viral. In this class, I'm going to be showing you how to grow your YouTube channel fast using VidIQ. So in this class, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about VidIQ and how it actually works. So I'm also going to start off from the scratch. So make sure not to skip any part because if you do, you might miss out on something very important. And there's going to be step-by-step methods which we're going to follow up to grow our YouTube channel fast. And in my next class, I'm going to be showing you about YouTube Shorts and how you will be able to work along with those two to get viral very fast. So without any further ado, let's hop onto our class by opening up any web browser which we have on our device. It could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. You can also use Opera, Microsoft Edge, whichever one you prefer. As you can see on my screen, opened up Google Chrome. Now from here, we're going to search up for vidIQ first. So I'm going to search in for vidIQ and open up the first link which you see over here. Click on that, and obviously we're also going to log in. You can see this sign up for free. So I'm going to click on this sign up for free, and then here I'm going to put in my own account. Let's just say I'm going to put in my own account. Now, after you basically log in with your account, make sure that you add your own YouTube account with whenever you are logging in on vidIQ. Now, if you are still not connected with your account, you can also try using it another account with another account, so just that you can see how it basically works, because you need to know about how vidIQ works. And then after you connect your account, the first thing what you need to do is that you have to like either use three like steps or like three different type of premium membership, but you can also use the free version anytime you want to. Now, the first thing, what we basically need to do is download up the extension because that is going to be very important and it's going to save up a lot of time. So we're going to add it to our Chrome. So I'm going to click on add extension. And obviously, we're going to make it visible most of the time because we need to see and check it out. So I'm going to remove this from Chrome. I'm going to remove this keyword everywhere. So one thing, what I'm going to do is going to be adding up this one. So there we go. We have applied in vidIQ. And there we go. vidIQ has been installed. And this is like just directing us to YouTube.
Hello,
So you
everyone,
can
and
see
welcome
when
to
you open
vidIQ.
up
One
this
last
like vidIQ video, and when you just basically add it up to your account or your extension or your browser, it's going to take you up to the. So this is like one of the most important steps which you have to like check it out on your own too. You can check it out anytime you want, but I'm going to show you each and everything you need to know about vidIQ so that you can boost up your content and get viral and get more reach very fast. So first thing, I'm going to close it off, and then you can also open up YouTube anytime you want. And one thing you will see most of the time, you're going to have the extension opened up most of the time anytime you open up any video. So if I click on this video and I'm going to just pause it up, and you can see we have this options over here. So you can see there we go. We have a couple of things which you need to like worry about is the hours watched, view, shorts view, views, minute watched, and all of them. Okay. So basically what we can do is that click on this option over here, and then you can go off the daily ideas or channel audit. So first thing, we're going to start off with daily ideas. So if you have gotten yourself up a subscription, you'll basically see that you are going to get daily ideas about what kind of content you should post, when you should post, what type of keywords should you post, when, like which time should you be posting that content. So you have to keep those things in mind and work along with it. Okay. So one thing you will see is that when you are on the free version of vidIQ, it will not help you or it will not give you any ideas. But you can also use customized ideas for 3 times, which basically comes along with the free version or the free pass. Okay, so you can like generate them like only 3 times, and after that you have to like basically pay it. So basically go off to the dashboard of vidIQ, and from here you're going to connect your YouTube channel. Then you have to add in your goal. So when you click on this add goal, you have to click on next, and then what do you want? So I basically want my channel to be monetized to get 5 views or to get 5 subscribers. You have to make sure to like keep that up. So basically I want views. So we predict hit by December 3, 2024, following your plan. And then you can select up whichever plans you want. So I'm going to do is going to be putting in hard. That's it. Press on next and done. Okay. So that's basically it. It's just going to require like specific criteria and specific activity of yours of how it is basically working. If your content or if your videos has like a lot of views or maybe specific views, you can also do that. You can search for that. Now, one thing which we need to do over here is go off the keyword, and this is one of the most important part. So I'm going to search for a basic keyword. So maybe I'm going to put in best way to earn. Hit on enter. And then you will basically see a couple of these keywords. So I'm going to view all three keywords, best way to earn. And one thing you have to know over here is that you have to search for specific content. So I'm going to do is go off the keywords again, related. You can also go off the overview, and you can also check out the top trending videos too at the same time. Well, this is what we have to like search for most of the time. So first thing is that related keyword. One thing you have to keep one thing in mind is that you have to know about these search volume, about the competition, about the overall score, and about the number of words being used. So one good reason of using VidIQ is that you are going to be able to also like search for keywords for free, even if you do not have any like subscriptions. Okay. So one thing you're going to do over here is that you're going to check out what you are searching for. And after that, you're going to use the specific keyword which has low competition, which is none over here. All of them are high competition. And then on the search volume, you're going to check out which one is also the highest one or the highest searched in volume. And you're going to see the overall score if it is really high. So you can see over like here is remote jobs. But one thing about remote jobs is that the competition is medium, the search volume is really low, but the overall score is very high. So this one is like considerable. So one thing we can do is select on this, right click, and then we can open it up, or we can search for it again. Now, when we search for it again, it will also show us if the overview of that specific keyword and the competition, if it is really high. So you can see the competition is medium, but the search volume is very high. So from here, what we're going to do is going to be easy remote job. Hit on enter. And you can see this is also quite medium. So we can also search for something like as a student. Hit on enter. And you can see the competition is also medium. But obviously we can also search for all of them. So after you can search or after you have found something where the competition is low, you can try for it. Okay. Then you can also go off the matching terms and find out which one is matching up. You can also ask question about it directly on VidIQ. So basically now you know everything you need to know about over here. And obviously if you have like a premium version, it's going to give you more ideas about it. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. Then we're going to go is off to like SEO. Now, one thing is about SEO is that it's not going to open up unless you have a premium subscription to it. So make sure to search up for like this. And then you're going to do is going to be searching up for video ideas. So let's say about video ideas. So put your own content about your own niche. So let's say my new video, which I want to post, is going to be related to gaming. So I'm going to search on for gaming to earn. And I'm going to hit on generate. And now it's going to generate what the title can be, what the description can be, what the tags I can put, what the thumbnails I can put, what the hook can be, then also the outlines which I can use. And you can also get like upgrade to boost to get like more of these options. Okay, you can also regenerate them. You can see topic related keywords. So one thing what I can do is click on any one of them, and then I can do is play to earn. So I'm going to go off directly to keyword. I'm going to put in play to earn. Hit on enter. And now you can see the competition is really low. That means I can obviously use this. Okay, so if I use this, it's going to, or the YouTube algorithm is going to push my video up on the recommendation list. And then this is basically how the SEO works. Okay, so if you guys still don't know what SEO is, it is search engine optimization. It's going to help you to find your videos very easily whenever any person is searching for that specific content. Okay. So now you know about SEO, AI generator, and then let's go off to competitors. Okay. Then you're going to do is going to be searching for competitors. Now, the first competitor which I want to search for is Nike. So you can be like, it can be anything, but I can also search for whichever one I want. So if I put in like gaming, so there's going to be a couple of channels which is going to be suggested right now as my competitor. So let's say my competitor is Arta Gaming. So if I click on that, like his like YouTube channel, you'll basically see that his performance is like this. Okay. Now, if you have your account connected to vidIQ, you can also compare yours and you can check out how many people are watching your videos comparatively to his. And then you'll be able to work along with it. Again, you can see that I have logged into another account and this one has like a couple of YouTube content inside. So one thing you can see over on the dashboard like already changed is that we have the number of views, which is already added up. Then we also have the subscriber, the watch time, the retentions, and basically everything. You can also see the monetization tracks. You can see we have like 440 out of 1,000 subscribers, 436.9 watch time out of 4,000. Okay. 4,000 hours. And you can also go off the daily ideas. You can search for your idea. Now you can also go off the AI generator. You can also search up for keywords, which is going to match up to your content. And obviously you can see now we can like, these are basically the competitors of my specific channel. Now you can see bring your own laptop and VidIQ tech. Those are like right over here. So now you can see the direct comparison of your own account or your own channel and comparatively to this one. You can see bring your own laptop is also really good. And also this one, WS Cube, is also like really good. And the one is like flatlining, one is my own. So basically you can see the lines and it's also going to give out which one is which. So you can compare it up. You can like check it out, check your own videos, how it is working along, how it is getting the reach and what type of people and what type of content does your own audience require or what can actually get their own attention. And if you go down, you can see top videos from your competitors. You can also check them out, what type of videos they are posting. And you can also include your channel to check it out, which one of yours is like the best one. You can see your like this week, you can check the whole month. You can also check of all time. You can see of all time, these are the videos which are being posted, or these are the ones which are most popular. And you can also check it out depending on views per hour or date published. It's like basically up to you. Okay. Now, if you go after your subscribers, you'll be able to check your own subscribers, and the rest of the ones are basically going to be available when you actually like get yourself up a premium version of it. And if you want to upgrade to like specific plans, you can use Pro, Boost, and Coaching. So I most of the time use Pro. It saves up a lot, and obviously I would say this is worth buying if you want to earn and you want to like get viral very fast or get a lot of reach very fast in YouTube and start monetization. Okay. Obviously, if you want to gain something, you also have to put or invest something, and investing $10, I would say this is really worth for checking out or using all of the features that are in vidIQ. Now, if I go off to YouTube, you will be able to search in for your own content. But in YouTube, I have my other account. So let me just log into the other account, which already has like a couple of videos into it. So as you can see, now I have logged into that. Go off over here. You can see in the last 12 months, I have like 458 hours of watch. Then I have like 40 in like the last 60 minutes. I have like 14 views. In the last 48 hours, it's like 48 or like 209 hours. And you can see short views. There is like basically none. So you can see that it gives you off every analytics you need to know. Then you can go off the daily ideas, trend alerts, most views, channel audit. You can also audit your own account directly from here. Okay, you can see the views, MOM, and then we also have the subscribers. Okay, we also have the minute watched, and these are the videos, content to double down on. So you can see subscribers gained on these, and these are double downed on. And these are watched total time minutes. These are the most watched ones. And you can see these are the ones that are like less watched. So if I close it off and if I just go off over here, and I can also search in for keyword inspector and achievement. You can search in for keywords. You can go off the most view contents of yours in your specific area at the same time. You can see in your specific area in the last 7 days, these are the most contents, or these are the content which has like a lot of reaches and a lot of views. And you can see views per hour is this one. And obviously, if you are upgrading, you'll be able to change out these, sorting out methods. You can also go off to competitors and check them out anytime you want to. You can also go off the trend alerts and you can like save your alert. So anytime that type of specific keyword pops up or gets, a lot of reach in your region, you will be sent an alert notification so that you know that, okay, this type of content is being posted. Okay, so you can search up for those type of contents and you can save them up anytime you want to. You can see there's a lot of these options where you'll be able to check them out. And you can also check out your subscriber analysis. You can you just basically have to first off, get up that subscription first, and then you'll be able to understand or get those, features. Okay. And obviously I'm going to go off to daily ideas. You can go through there. And you can also go off the keyword inspector to inspect up that specific content. Okay. So hope you understood everything about this class on how you'll be able to get viral or use vidIQ to actually gain a lot of subscribers. And obviously, if we just go off to our own accounts, I'm just going to go off to my own account and I'm going to view my own channel.
Welcome
So
to
click.
another lesson of
So we can basically do is just view channel stats, and you can check out your own stats like this. And you can also go off over here and view. You can just click on that and whatever trending video you have will be over here. Okay. So obviously if you need all of these analytics and all of these, like, let's say notification alerts, and also to actually check out or get the insights of how your competitors are doing, how the region or the people in your region are attracted in. So I would suggest you just start using vidIQ, okay? Because it's going to help you a lot to understand about what is going on in your region, what is going on, and how you should change your strategies. It's also going to give you ideas about which time to post your content, okay? So hope you understood about everything in this class, and thank you for watching this video up till the very end. If you still have any confusion or any question about any part of this lesson, feel free to ask me anytime. I'm always there to help you out. So without any further ado, let's move on to our next class.